Welcome back. In this video, we will focus on the derivative of exponential function. So for example, we have here f of x is equal to e raised to x squared times 2x raised to x cubed. So, meron tayong dalawa. So, yung common formula na ginagamit natin here is, for example, we have d over dx. Derivative of e raised to u such that yung u natin in differentiable terms or differentiable terms, okay? Raised to u is equal to e raised to u. Hindi naman talaga mawawala sa u. A raised to u times du over dx. And yung pangalawang formula, for the derivative of 2x cubed, magagamit natin dyan. We have d over dx of a such that constant or in a differentiable terms a raised to u is equal to a raised to u log a du over dx such that yung ating a is term. So para mas madali natin siyang sagutan, ang ating example, isi-separate muna natin talaga ang dalawa. So we have here d over dx of e raised to x squared is equal to e raised to x squared. Derivative of x squared is 2x, or is equal to 2x e raised to x squared. So ito yung first natin sagot. And then for the second derivative, derivative of second term, we have here over dx 2x x cubed should be equal to 2x x cubed times ln 2, then the derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. So this is our derivative. So now let's combine this, and we will use the product rule. We'll apply the product rule in this problem. So f prime of x will be equal to e raised to x squared times the derivative of the second term here. We have here the second term, So 2x x cubed times 3x squared log 2 plus the second term, this guy is second term, 2x raised to x cubed times the derivative of the first term is equal to ax squared 2x. So let's combine a similar term here. And pwede pa natin siyang ipa-factor. So meron tayo ditong ax squared, meron tayo ditong ax squared. And we have also here 2x cubed, 2x raised to x cubed, and back. So yun lang. So ilalabas natin siya. E raised to x squared 2x cubed raised to x cubed times yung natira dito, which is ln 2 plus yung 2x. So and this is the answer on this problem involving the exponential function.